that?
This one.
Woo! Woo!
Mommy,
Oh.
sit in the front.
Maraming laman eh.
Ha?
Pinapaupo niya ako sa harap. Kasi maraming laman yung harap mo. Yay! How are you?
Oh,
Okay,
what's that?
Did you wash your hands?
It's my pulley.
What do you call that?
Hey, what?
What do you call this one? What's the use of this? Are you the one who stick it there?
Yeah,
Are you sure?
yeah.
That's beautiful.
And I stick it in the floor and I make a shiny gold.
Shiny gold.
Yeah.
Mag-lock ka dad.
Oh,
Activated. Unlock.
Move there on the side.
Okay.
Okay.
I need water.
And then you water. Did you bring your pamunas inside the classroom?
No.
Why?
I leave it.
Why?
Because I can't bring it in home.
Because you have colds. Di ba I told you to bring your water inside and... Ay! No, no.
sorry.
Daddy, why that helicopter is there?
Where is the helicopter?
Yeah.
There.
Oh, that's a toy.
What? I like toys.
Sige nga. Ah.
So,
Did you play in the...
Oh, the
Eh,
water.
ano ko na lang, iba-vlog ko na lang everyday yung pagsundo, paghatid.
Pero bawal ka mag-video ng ibang ano ng kids daddy ah.
Yeah.
Bawal.
Ano lang, ako, dito lang sa sasakyan.
Reklamo siya daddy. Umiinom kasi siya ng water.
Wait, sorry. Sorry. Okay. Drink now.
It's
Drink
bumpy.
now.
You see? You're so thirsty.
So, what happened in this call?
Palagay ako nito dyan, dad.
What happened?
They made something, daddy. Look, oh. It's beautiful. Kuya did this.
May I see?
Kuya said he did this one.
Wow! Wow! Oh, ito yung gawa nila si Skull. Ito, dalawa. What's this, kuya? Ay, like this. Hello, hello, like that? Okay, hold the other side. And I hold here. Hello? Hello, kuya. How are you? Okay.
Here.
Yeah, I hear you.
Listen.
Oh, parang telephone. Ayan, gawa nila. Okay, okay,
Can I
let's...
try?
Toot. Sorry. I A fart, right? A fart.
You
A
fart?
fart. What is a fart?
Oh, you made this one?
So, yan yung activity nila ngayon. Dapat pala dito ako maglagay para isabit ko lang yung phone dito para makikita kayo kasi sa sasakyan lang ako lagi magbablog eh. Tapos sa YouTube ko siya i-upload everyday. Bili ako ng ano ng dito sa DIY. So,
Outside control.
yan yung mga nag-aaral ngayon, mga bata. Hindi natin alam kung anong ginagawa si school. Kasi kagaya ni Cairo, hindi siya masyadong makwento kung anong ginagawa nila sa school. Kaya pag merong mga activity, like yung natapos siya ngayon, so parang nakakatuwa. Sinasabi niya siya daw may gawa. You made that? Oh, so English speaking kasi itong mga bata ngayon. So, ako naman, English din tayo.
I need water.
Wala sa hulog.
I want to eat again.
Okay, let me check your lunch.
Okay, from now on, start Monday, I will document all the...
Eat in the parking lot.
This one?
Yeah.
At home na lang. We don't have like that.
I will document every day, another kwentuhan.
Panis na panis. Sira na.
So yun, everyday. Bibili lang ako ng ng parang tripod. Tripod ba yun, yung i-clip ko lang ito sa unahan. Tapos naka-landscape.
You make bumper.
Naka-landscape siya. Para makita din yung sa likod. So that's all muna. And then, yun. Say hi, kuya!
Hi.
Oh, hi. Mommy is there. Oh.
I have this.
Yes. So next week, let's document every day.
Okay.
Okay, bye-bye.
Bye-bye.